Hey everybody, look what's here. Look what's here. Looks what, yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. The greenhouse is here. Woohoo. Hey everybody, today is the day. The greenhouse has come. I've shown you guys that in the last video. Forgive me for the squinting, it's bright. Now it's time to clean out the greenhouse. I showed you guys a picture of this hot mess when the tarp had flown over the fence, but I managed to put it back on the frame and give it a little duct tape to keep it on over the last couple of days. But so now we're just prepping to get the area cleaned so that we can put the new greenhouse in its place. Let's get started. Okay guys, got most of the stuff cleaned out. You should have seen a couple clips here and there about when it was still full. Next thing to do will be to take the tarp off of the top of it, to disassemble this frame, and then we'll get, the gravel leveled out. We need to put more gravel towards the back because this is a 12-foot and the new one is a 16-foot greenhouse. So we'll need to expand the gravel. And next video you should see is us doing that. And that should be about it for today. So we'll see you soon. Talk to you later.